What's going on, guys? Travis here. So Apple just announced a pretty big update for the beloved AirPod Pros and just the AirPods in general. So this is probably the biggest update to the AirPods or AirPod Pros that I think has been released yet. And in my opinion, this kind of makes all other headphones and AirPods and listening devices pretty obsolete. And it's because of one thing they do. And can you guess what that one thing is? Well, I'll tell you. So here's a pair of Sony headphones. Now these are the Sony, basically the XM3000s or the XB900s, XB900N bass editions. These are those bass heavy babies. Now, why are these kind of a little easier to use than the AirPods Pro? Well, one thing, volume control on the headphones. So with these, you're wearing them. You slide down or up to increase the volume. You want to increase the volume on your AirPods Pro. Well, unfortunately, there's no way to do that. There's no little up or down or nothing until now. So Apple has just released or announced the AirPods Pro 2nd edition, and lo and behold, when you have them in your ear, you can kind of toggle up and down the volume control. This is pretty huge. Now, this doesn't seem huge, but think about it. How many times you've been using your trusty AirPods, your AirPods Pro, you need a little volume adjustment. Some YouTube video comes on and the intro is just loud as crap, or you just, I can't hear it. What is that? What is that? You gotta find your phone or your iPad or whatever device. You gotta click up or down volume on that. That's a whole extra step, as opposed to just, oh, the volume's a little low or high. Oh wait, I can't do that. Well, now you can. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you, Apple, because this really was the update that I think all us AirPods fanatics are waiting for a simple volume adjustment on the AirPod itself. So Apple really knocked this out of the park, because this is gonna, like I said, basically make this the headphones to have. Because I know even when the AirPods Pro came out before this new volume change, and there's been a couple other changes too, but the biggest difference in my opinion is this volume control. But I remember, the AirPods Pro came out, and just the lack of volume control really is kind of a game changer. And now that Apple has fixed that, this doesn't necessarily make these obsolete, but it just adds that extra value to being in the Apple ecosystem. And these aren't that expensive for what they are. I mean, if you think about it, this Patagonia jacket is $300. I mean, I got it on sale, so I know. But so are the AirPods Pro. They're as much as this jacket. Now, you're going to get a lot more value. Well, I guess this is a bad example because this is a really nice jacket and a lifetime warranty, etc. with Patagonia. But you're going to get a lot of value out of the $250, $300, $199 you spend on these AirPods Pro. I haven't looked at the price yet. I was assuming $299. Maybe they're upping it to $329 or something. Go check it out for yourself. But this is breaking news right now. So it's still very fresh for me. And I didn't even have time to check the pricing, because I just was like, holy crap, volume control? I'm in. So, these are probably a couple years old, the AirPods Pro I have, but it's going to be hard to hold off on getting those, because what also is nice is once you use AirPods for a while, they kind of do start dying quicker and quicker as the battery starts to wear and tear. So it really doesn't happen, or it happens more often than you would think. You're listening to the AirPods, they die, oh, I got to charge them. They do charge fast in the case, but we're impatient people. This is 2023. We want it now. I'll usually grab my older AirPods, if I'm fiending and I need something. So it really isn't that bad of an idea just to have a couple pairs of these, or you lose one, something. So even if you have the AirPods or the AirPods Pro, I think these new AirPods Pro are really amazing, and they're just the next generation from Apple for the AirPods, and I think they're really worth it. Having, like I said, the volume control is the #1 biggest game changer with these headphones, and is really the reason why you should upgrade. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Till next time, peace.